You're able to see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can. Yeah.
Okay. So basically over here, and yes, a quick question, like Sydney, what's the time right now there?
Well, that's like approximately 9:30,
9:30 a.m., right?
9:30 a.m. Yes.
Okay. So I believe that okay, approximately. So it's like 9:24 around, I believe, right? 25.
Yeah. Right. Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
So how is it like your job? Are you like going to the offices in this week or like how it is?
So for me, basically, like majority of the time
Because
work from home because my team actually works like majority of the people are in Melbourne only.
mm-hmm.
Melbourne, or there's a place called Bendigo, which is near to Melbourne, somewhere like 200
Correct, correct.
kilometers short.
Mm-hmm.
And I work from Sydney, so I
Mm-hmm.
hardly go to office, frankly speaking.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, depends upon the requirement. Like if somebody is visiting from that place, then maybe I might visit, but accordingly, yeah. Otherwise, work from home I do.
Okay, okay. No worries. Then I believe that it is fine. And then you have opted for the weekend sessions?
Yes, weekend sessions. Yes.
Weekend sessions. Okay, no worries. So no worries. We will be going to have the same one. If there will be some kind of ups and downs are there. So we are flexible enough because there is no other person is going to join in the training. So it is a one-to-one training. So
So it's
there.
Alex is participant or
No, Alex is from our team. So it's a
oh,
monitoring team. So yep.
okay, okay.
So Alex, so you were thinking that
Oh,
Alex, I
I thought
believe that.
Alex is a participant. Yeah, I
No, no,
thought
no.
maybe.
So no worries.
Okay.
Okay. So yeah, so let's quickly go ahead. So can you see my screen right now?
Yeah, I can.
Certified Cloud Security Professional IC2 certification exam outlining. Let me just quickly guide you through this. ICX Square developed this certification. It's
Uh,
long back.
so it's Gaurav, right, or Pradeep? Gaurav, like
I
your
have to
name.
because yes, it is
Gaurav.
Gaurav.
Okay. So can you
Yes.
just little bit increase the font size?
Okay. Yep. Yep.
Uh, yeah, that's much better. Yeah.
Much better.
Yep.
No worries. And remember, I will be going to share you all the inputs, right? So that
Mhm,
you will be able to have all the notes of that one. Okay. No worries.
mhm.
Okay, so according to the CCSP, ISEC Square, it is already developed by ISEC Square, right? Right now, they have just done a small thing, like fairly speaking. We were having inside the CISSP, if you have gone through we were having 8 domains in
Mm,
CISSP, right?
mm,
And then
mm,
from 8 domains, there were like architectures, designs,
mhm,
concept. They have created a one domain from there. Data security was there, platform infrastructure was there, application was there, security operations were there, and legal risk and compliance. So what they have done is like they have created the CSSP, and then they got to know that one in a later part that cloud is also creating a relevance across all over discipline areas and then in world in the globe. So they have created this one, and then in this particular certification, you will get more concentration on your concept, architecture, and design, where you will be going to see the data security as well, your platforms, your infrastructure security, right? Your application security, security operations, and legal risk and compliance. I have the idea that I believe that you know lot many of the things if I only talk about data security. But when it comes on a cloud, right, there are some slightly changed frameworks are there, right? Slightly changed, you can say standards are there, which needs to be followed depending upon the different countries. So we have to follow
mhm.
that one that we will be going to learn in this particular course. We will be going to have around 9-10 sessions,
Mm,
and those sessions are going to be there on weekends. Do you want to
mm.
do it in weekdays as well?
No, weekends would be good. Like yeah, weekdays would be definitely office is enough.
Okay, no
Yeah.
worries. So majorly, we will be going to see these things like how we are working on that one. Okay, so let me just clarify this thing as well. We have a experience requirement. So see, a candidate must have minimum 5 years of cumulative experience, right? Where 1 year must be in one or more domains in that one. So like you should have worked under
Mm.
any of this domain directly.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So are you having any experience right now with any one of them?
Yes, like data security part, as I told that I worked like between 2021 to
Cloud data
20
security.
cloud data security. Yes.
You were into the cloud data security,
Yep.
correct?
Yep. Yep.
Yeah. So see, 3 years in cybersecurity, I believe that that is you are already having it, right?
Yep.
1 year must be in one of or more domains of the current CCSP exam outlining. Out of them, so how you will be proving it? I just have this question.
So Amelia, what is an artifact required for this?
So majorly like cybersecurity, you can get like whatever the right now job role. What is the job role right now you are in?
Currently, I'm working as an IEM consultant, basically working
Identity
on
and
the
access
yes,
management. It
exactly.
comes under your cybersecurity.
Yeah, oh,
So
definitely. Yeah, right. Because
yes.
it's most from the customer, you know. So even that IEM side, there are two parts, right? So it's a workforce internally, which is for
Mm-hmm.
the, in-house organization identity management, and then
Mm-hmm.
other one because it's a, it's a bank, right? It's for the customer identities are separate. So I am
Correct.
part of customer identity, management
Customer
currently.
identity. Okay. And then how your work is related to cloud data security, like how?
I guess everything is hosted in within the cloud only. So it's
So
basically
your
entire thing is
company,
hosted on the
which
EKS.
which which
Yeah.
cloud platform that we use?
So they are using, I mean, like all three, frankly speaking, but like
Mm-hmm.
we are working majorly on the AWS side, where all these Kubernetes is hosted on the AWS EKS, basically
Okay. Okay.
AWS EKS service.
Okay. No worries. Okay, so basically the artifact will be required that whatever because see, right now you are from a bank, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you are working in IM job role.
Mm-hmm.
Now you should be working in some kind of a project. Is it internally or something? Or you should be getting a document from your senior management or something where
Mm-hmm.
they will be able to ensure that the company is already having the cloud structure, right? And
Mm-hmm.
then you are working on a cloud data security. So once you give that artifact, you will be able to get the eligibility for this. Got
Oh,
it?
so that I need to submit before giving the exam or
No,
after
no,
the
no, no,
exam?
no. After giving the exam,
After giving
they
the
they are
exam.
they are very simple with that one. Why to check everyone's background
Mm.
information? They tell that only if you are certified, like means that you are able to pass the exam, then only they will ask these
Yeah,
information.
more, yeah, makes sense. True.
Yes, because they do not want to do the extra duties.
No, true, true.
Okay. So, yes, that is there. Let me just go ahead on that one. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
that you already have the bachelor's degree, master's, whatever it is they are
Yeah.
asking, right? Submitted and an active CSSP credential may be substitute for your CCSP experience requirement. Suppose you do not
Mm,
have this one and you have the CSSP credential. You have the
mm,
CSSP. So it will automatically give you the
mm,
permission to go ahead with the CCSP. But
mm.
remember, CSSP also asks these information. So there is
Exactly. Yeah,
no
yeah, I
no
know.
exit
Yeah,
of that one.
true.
Right? So people are like, okay, thank God. Man, like there is no thank God. You will be also going to get
Mm.
checked in CSSP as well. So
True.
they means it is just for like people they do have already done ISEC square. Why I'm going deep dive
Mm,
into this experience requirement? Because this is your first ISEC square, right?
correct. Correct.
So that's the reason I'm going deep dive onto that one so that you have a
Mm,
idea of it as well, and then you will be
true.
able to work on it.
Yeah.
Okay. Then we have the accreditation. You know that the accreditation is directly coming
Mm,
from the ISEC scale and then NC standards, which is
mm,
17024, right? And
mm,
it is there. And then the job task analysis. So we have the length of exam. This is a 3 hour of exam. Number of items, 125. Majorly, like we have seen most of the time between 120 to 130, right? 125 out of
mm.
your questions, and it is all multiple choice question. How do you find multiple choice questions? What do you think? They
I
are
mean,
they
it's
are
relatively, yeah, like because I saw that actually that I was going through not every slide, but the document or there's a question answer which was sent to me. So I was just going through that. Initially, from a prima facie level, I mean, like, it did not, I didn't find it very complex, or maybe the idea is like, because I have, like optimum background of the cloud security and stuff, right? And the security, definitely I've been working for so long in my
Mhm,
career, but even on the cloud side, like AWS, even I did that GCP data engineering as well,
mhm,
that course actually when I was part of HCL.
mhm,
So I'm like, it was okay and it was good. I mean, like, it's not that difficult, like kind of impossible types. So
mhm.
I found it good actually.
Okay, so from where you did receive that question and answers?
I guess there was an email, right? From
Can you
whom?
can you can you show me? Yes,
So
it's
it's
looking
this
good.
link, yeah,
Okay, CCSP third edition. Okay, and then we have cloud security, and then the official CBK reference and Chapel David books as well.
yeah,
Okay. Is there, okay, these five books you are having, right?
yeah, right,
Okay,
correct.
okay, okay, okay. Works fine, works fine.
Okay, now you can share.
Okay, yep. Can you see my screen back? Yeah.
Yeah, no.
So we will be going to have around 125 questions, right? And item format is multiple choice question. Why multiple choice question? Because multiple choice question basically check your mind to, how basically your mind is, thinking about your cloud, thinking about your security as well, and then how you are able to implement it, right?
Mm,
So you will be going to get a questions which is a scenario based. We cannot do
okay.
anything on that one. And what does the scenario based means? That, like, let me give you an example. Like, suppose there will be no questions like this, like what is the primary responsibility of cloud service provider? There's no direct question,
Mm,
right?
mm,
Sometimes you can find these kind of a questions, but majorly they will be looking for different. Like, suppose Pradeep is there in a company, and then Pradeep just joined a company as a cloud
mm,
security professional.
mm,
Now, the company wants to migrate one GCP to AWS. So, which
yeah,
framework do you think can help him to get succeeded in his duty? And then you will be going to get all of the four frameworks that you have read on
mm,
this.
mm,
So that
okay,
becomes more confusing because
okay.
once you do not know